This video, I will show you my number one productivity hack. This helped me to get work done quicker, to be more assured that when I start something that I will actually finish it, and just give me overall more confidence in my own business and in my personal life, because I know when I start something, I will stick through it. Okay, so not everybody has this problem or not in this intensity like I had, because for me it was like my motivation was always very big, but motivation drops down. So when I started something, I actually, before I even started it, I knew I'm going to quit it within a week or two because my discipline is not strong enough in this field, in this region, to stick through it. And this pissed me off because sometimes I had really good resolutions, like I wanted to eat healthier or start more cardio or start to stretch in the morning. And I did it for maybe 3, 4, 5 days, and I knew if something is going to like come through and something is going to change, like I will go to travel or my motivation goes down, that I will stop doing this. And to know this really pissed me off. It really annoyed me. So I went out and I tried a lot of things, and I found one thing that worked so good for me, and I want to share this with you because I hope it will work good for you too. Okay, so what is this number one thing? There's a little twist to it, but I will first explain the basics and then I will explain the little twist. So first of all, it's you do a to-do list. Okay, personally for me, I do my morning routine on my phone, and the business to-do list for my business I do on a paper, and I write it with pencil. And this just works so much better for me. I don't know why. Like in the morning, when I was younger, I started to write it on little post-its, like on little papers. I wrote my morning routine, but now I just use my phone. It's in airplane mode during night. It's as far away in the room as it possibly can be. But because I'm waking up very early, I use the clock still. And yeah, when I wake up, I do a few things of my morning routine. If you want to know which one it is, click on my YouTube channel and you will find it. And I do this and then I check the boxes, okay? But when I go to work, I found out that when the to-do list is on my phone, I will forget it. I will just be distracted and I will be lost in the stream of work. I will be lost in the stream of social media. I will be lost in to-dos that are important but not urgent. And I tend to forget the urgent to-dos. This is a thing I cannot allow for myself. This is a thing, it's not okay, because sometimes I need to do the urgent to-dos. So what I found out, what is this little twist, is first of all, to write it on a paper and have it in front of me. Actually, it's fucking in front of me. It's not on the side, it's not right, it's not left, it's in front of me. Yes, my arms have to be a little bit more extended to reach to the laptop, but it just worked so good. So the second thing that is so important regarding this is that you write down not only the tasks, but you will write down how you will do the tasks. Okay, like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Like first I will sit down, then I will open social media, then I will search for 5 accounts, then I will write to them, then I will do this and this and this, whatever you're doing. And to really think about how the process will be, to actually imagine before you're doing it how you will do, my friend, this will make you so much quicker in actually doing this to do. And a little hack that I will tell you now, that I also do regularly, I don't do it always, but I do it regularly, is I put on a timer before I started to do. Like I scripted basically my to do, and then I will check, okay, how long do I think I need for this to do? Maybe 45 minutes. Okay, I tried it in 30, and my timer is in 30 minutes, and I found out all the time I could do the 30 minutes. It not once it happened that I could not stick with the time I set for myself. And this is basically because I say, okay, fuck, like it's short time. I cannot be distracted. And if you don't get distracted, you don't need more time for distractions, but also to get back into the focus and the deep work. So you should really try this. And if you struggle with like being distracted, you can also put a timer on every 10 to 15 to 20 minutes just to remind yourself, hey, are you right now distracted, or are you working, or are you productive? This is for business, of course, but it works also for other things. If you're a guy like me who forgets things, like do a plan, okay? You will do audio and stuff like this. You will tell people you met, you will write with them, so that they don't feel like you don't like them or you're ignoring them. Or what I do for gym is I track my things, and already before the day starts, I track what I'm going to eat, and I let open a little window for like spontaneous foods. But I exactly know in the morning what I'm going to eat, right? Of course, if friends invite me to a restaurant, I'm going to delete all out of it and start a new list after, but it's just like to try and have the most efficient way and to know for sure that you will have success in business, in relationships, in health, what you name it. So this is the video. This is my hack. It works so good for me. I know it's a basic and simple thing, but it's a magic spell if you try it. I really hope you're going out and you will give this a shot. Try it for more than a week, because at first you might not get into the flow of it, so it might need some time. I would love to have some feedback, how it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and see you next time.